Airborn model FJ2436 vertical baler. This baler produces a 24 by 36 by 30 bale. It's powered by a 2 horsepower single phase 220 electric motor. The bale chamber, the platen. Its control panel. It has a lockout for the control circuits, emergency stop, manual and automatic, and your up and down switches. There's your motor and hydraulic pump. Top of the cylinder. We'll now demonstrate operation. When it's operating, you can see from the back, follow the chain down, or on the door on the front there is a appropriately marked viewport. Those indicators will appear in the viewport. For purposes of this demo, we were dummying the safety switch so you can see the platen entirely. Now we'll close the door, demonstrate it again, show you the indicators as they come through the viewport. So you can see the bottom of the platen. And there are the indicators in the viewport. That being an automatic cycle, when it bottoms out, the platen retracts.